water's ready. I'm about to make myself my rheumatoid arthritis concoction, and I thought I would share it with you all once more because I'm actually having a different flavor of tea. The noise that you just heard was saying that the water was ready because I have my whistling teapot that I make my tea in every night. And so yeah, I'm gonna start off with, this is my turmeric with black pepper, my honey, and this is a honey that I purchased at what is it, Home Goods, and this one is a Brazilian honey. And then this is my joint health powder that I take, and this is a new tea that I got very recently, and it's actually very, very good. It's kind of different though. It has like I don't know, like loose leaves inside of a bag. It's a little bit different, but I do like it. It has a unique taste, and it's called a mighty leaf, and it's a whole leaf tea. And then I always have a pack of stevia inside of my tea, and I'm going to use my amazing You're an Amazing Woman mug, which I've been really stuck on that mug here lately. So yeah, so I'm going to kind of slide these over just a little bit, and I am going to start my process of putting everything all together. So the first thing I want to do is I want to open up my tea bag, and I am going to, and this is what it looks like when it's inside of, like it says, a really neat looking little thing here. So that's it. Set it inside my cup, and while my water is still nice and hot, I'm going to pour my water inside of my mug. Yeah. And this happens to me every time when I'm pouring my tea. I tend to always lose my tea string down inside. There we go. And it smells so very good. I love the smell of this tea. It has kind of like it almost smells like honey. And I just put just a little sprinkle of the, it's usually a half a teaspoon, but I didn't feel like grabbing a different measuring cup. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of my honey in there, and I don't measure it, you know, there's like not like a true measurement of anything. I just scoop some honey, so I've got about that much honey. Drop that over in there, and then my joint powder. Almost finished with this one, so I got about one more night worth of joint powder in this one, and then I'm starting on my last one. So I do need to try to find this online, and I'm gonna put in my 1 pack of stevia. And so just put everything. So that is my tea for the evening, and as you can see, the turmeric powder kind of does take over, and it gives it a little bit more of that yellowish color. But it is also the tea itself, which I didn't show you all, is actually it is an organic African nectar tea, and it's really good. I'm just really into different teas. Like I said, this is the way I mix up my I like to call it a concoction for my RA, and hopes that I'm going to make my joints much healthier. So I'm going to sit here. I do this every single night before I go to bed, and I'm going to sit here on the couch for a little bit and edit a video, and I am going to just enjoy my tea for the evening. So I hope that this was something that you found useful, and if you did, feel free to thumbs up this video. I would so appreciate it. I am trying to grow my channel, and if you are an RA sufferer, I am I'm just finding this all out for myself. So I'm exploring the world of, you know, natural things that I can do. I have not yet been placed on any type of medication. I've only gone to one doctor's appointment, so I don't know where I stand. But tomorrow I will find out a little bit more. But yeah, so, you know, if you are suffering from RA, feel free to comment below and share with me any of the concoctions that you come up with in lieu of trying to make your joints stronger. Like I said, I'm just trying any and everything. So I feel that if we share, we might be able to accomplish something together. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button before leaving my channel tonight. And also I ask if you hit that notification bell, because again, this is where we can share a little bit about information about RA together. And any comments you have, feel free to leave them below. I say that once again. Again, thank you so much for watching and have a blessed evening. Thank you.